Okay, I thought I'd show you guys how to cook when you can't see what you're doing. You find the pan, pretty obvious. And then you just kind of feel it with the spatula. I'm making scrambled eggs here, so you kind of feel when it's hard. A little bit, even if you don't get it fully done, which I always do, you can always tell when it's done. It's not that hard. You can feel the edge of the pan with that spatula. So that's how you cook. See? Feel that? Don't say you can't do something just because you can't see it. You can feel when it's a little soft still, when it's hard, when it needs to be. You just move it around until it's done. Pretty easy, really. So all them blind people out there can't say that they can't do anything. Visually impaired people. See, keep moving it back until you find the edge of the pan. Ain't that hard. Figure I better show you guys how I do this, because actually I get a lot of questions on how I do this. I'm literally looking at the wall right now. Not even paying attention. Anyways, there we go. Hope that found you helpful.